This is NI Elvis II trainer, which is being used in our experiment to measure ECG of a person at rest and after some physical activity, and then we will compare the both outputs and we'll see the difference between them. First, to make connections, connect SIG1 of proto board connector to AI0 plus of NI Elvis II and plus 5 volt DC power supply to 5V of proto board connector. Ground power supply to ground of proto board connector and AI ground of NI Elvis II connect with ground of proto board connector. Now connect computer with NI Elvis II by USB. Now make connection of electrode of ECG sensor with volunteer red electrode at above left elbow joint and green electrode at above right elbow joint and black electrode at right above wrist joint. This is the ECG sensor, which is connected to trainer on prototype board from one side, and electrodes are placed according to manual on patient's body on the other side. We are taking ECG of patient using software, and this waveform appears, and this is the output of patient's ECG taken at rest, and the software used is named as National Instruments Workbench. In this you can see the BPM, beats per minute, and the other parameters that are important for ECG measurements. Now this is the ECG of the same person, but this time ECG taken after some physical activity. But in my case, patient did push-ups as physical activity. This shows the comparison between the ECG of patient taken at rest and after some activity. As you can see that the beats per minute has been increased after physical activity, and the QRS mean has decreased and QRS width has been increased. Basically QT intervals raises after exercise, and the PR interval also raises and QRS interval raises too when compared the ECG taken before exercise and after exercise. And these parameters are increased due to the blood flow from atrium to ventricles has also increased, and the blood exert more force on the walls of ventricle. Before taking ECG you should know these points. First, the patient should be in relaxed condition. Second, he should not wear any metal ring, watch and any other thing that will produce noise in signal. Third, before taking ECG you have to clean body with wet tissue or alcohol pad where electrodes are going to attach to kill dead cells and to reduce the noise from the signal.